Yeah, boy. Yeah. What is going on? What is going on? So, today I've been riding with my man here, Charles. Right here. Yeah.
What's up?
Right from Atlanta. Right from Atlanta. Yeah, boy.
Hey, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate applying my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably dollar sign. Got the energy to win in my I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate.
What is going on? What is going on? Yeah. So what happened, man? The load shifted, right? We've been driving all the way from Bristol, Connecticut to Rochester. All right, we got about 15 miles. It's not that far, so that's a good thing. We caught it on time, and always be safe on doing all this kind of stuff. But we caught it on time. But my load actually shifted too, but not as bad like his. But the reason, it was freaking windy. That wind, I could feel that truck moving. It was not bad. And then suddenly, bam, the freaking wind just hit us. It's like, so he called me up, like my load just shifted. Like, holy cow, you know, what are we gonna do? So good thing that we had 7 miles to go for this rest area. So we ended up stopping here, and we're gonna try fixing this load. Very easy to fix, not a problem. I've done this before, but all right, here it is. Let's do this. So it shifted that way. So we're gonna try to put some 2 straps from the other side going this way, and we're gonna try to bring it this way. So while he's cranking it, I'm gonna try to lift it. Where is it? I'm gonna try to lift it right there, so the load can actually shift. No, that way. All right. So yeah, we want the load to shift this way. And let's check that opening, because there's an opening. I don't see this opening. So I'm gonna try to lift this. It's not heavy. So we're gonna try to lift it while I'm lifting it. He's gonna crank it, and this should move. So wish us luck. Yeah, boy. All right, let's do this. All right. Yeah, that should be good. Now let's get some edge protectors there too. All right. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna loose these guys up. We're gonna loose them up, so I can lift it up, because right now these are tight. Mm-hmm. Yeah, they're freaking tight. So I could be able to lift that load up, and then while I'm lifting it, because you can tell right there it's stuck. While I'm lifting it, you'll start cranking it, and then hopefully it can move. All right.
Put it in the winch now, so I will carry.
Can you fit another strap right? Shoot.
Yeah, that was tight right there.
This one right here.
Yeah, I couldn't get it in there.
I'll show you. Watch.
Okay.
So if it doesn't go that way, turn it this way.
Okay.
Ah, man, you learned a lot from me, man. You learning a lot from me.
Let me take it out so I can get over there.
There you go. You got it. Yeah, that wind was crazy. For those of you that are saying that we didn't do any load checks, yes, we did load checks. All right. So yeah. That's what happened when you get a frozen strap right there. There you go. All right. All right, hold on. Hold on. There you go. Alright, try it now. I might have to break those other ones over there. Ah, shit. I might have to break the other ones over there. Hold on. Alright, these guys, I gotta cut them. Alright, break it. Break that baby. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Alright, get him loose, Yeah, yep. Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can move this up. Yeah. Alright, I got this. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna lift this up. So they're already loose, the straps are loose. So we can actually pick these. These are not that heavy, so we can pick them up. And like that, you see? Look at that, baby. Oh, man. All right. Yeah, baby. You know what? Let's get them a little bit loose. Oh, yeah.
Put this on because we can both lift this.
Yeah, let me just get these guys.
All right. Oh, man, this is fantastic. No, you good. Sorry.
There you go,
oh, man.
baby.
Look at that.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, boy. Look at that. Woo!
That's what I'm talking about.
All right. Let me fix this.
Oh, you have the bar? Okay.
Let me try to do. You wanna crank it a little bit more. Crank this one right here.
All right.
There you go. Keep cranking it, and I'm pulling back. There you go. Keep going.
Don't teach you in truck driving school. Seriously.
Woo.
Yeah.
That's a workout. Yeah, boy. All right. So, man, look at that. Look at that process. The progress, actually. Man, we did a good job. Yup. No more gap over here. It's all closed up. All right, guys, that's beautiful. Let's go check on the other side. This is crazy when this happens. It's not fun. We got that nice and close, look at that. So, we got 4 straps now. Got that was sticking out about a foot, over a foot. So we got that a little closer. That ain't going anywhere. So that's good. That should be all good. That's why you guys always have the strap on the side. You know, always put 3 straps. That wind was massive, crazy. I'm not kidding. The truck just started. So, hold on, let me get over here. So, am I filming? Yep, I'm filming. So, I was driving and then suddenly I just freaking felt the movement. I'm like, whoa, what the heck is that? And yeah, it just like out of nowhere, this freaking wind just came boom, blowing out. The truck in front of me was like going all over the place. It's like, holy cow, that is crazy. And then he calls me on the radio, says, my load just shifted. I'm like, son of a gun. Thank God that the service plaza was like five or 6 minutes away. So I was like, let's stop at the service plaza. But that's why, and we did load checks. We did load checks. It's that freaking wind. It's that wind, man. You can't play around with the wind. When it starts blowing like that, you can't play around with that. It gets crazy. That's, you know, last week there was a bunch of trucks in Illinois that were just flipped, and that's because of the freaking wind, man. You can't play around with that.
Even lightweight one over, you have to be careful.
Yeah, even lightweight. Yep. There you go, man. Man, I'm teaching you a lot of stuff, man.
Man, look. Oh, this on the job training, just keep it on going.
Yeah. Dude, there's a lot of times that I learn from everybody. I learn from a lot of guys.
Yeah.
You know, this job, you're always learning. Always learning.
Get outside the box.
Yep.
Yeah. Man, you saved me, listen.
Yeah, that's what we're here for, man.
Yeah.
Look at this beautiful X-Strap. Look at that beautiful X-Strap. Yeah. So what I always do, I always put a 4-inch or a 2-inch on the Bensons. Put the strap over. All right. Look. Put the strap over. So that strap is over the 2-inch. All right. And what that helps is if your X-Strap falls off, if it falls off, the 4-inch or 2-inch is actually going to hold it, and it won't go anywhere. So, you know, because normally they'll fall off and get caught on the tires, and then you're in trouble, right? So, he's doing all his load check. I gotta go and do my load check over there too. All right, so the number one thing, all right, is you call safety. So I know I climbed up there. I can climb up there. I mean, I'm a monkey, but if you guys can't climb up there, call safety. If you guys have a problem with the load shifting and you can't fix it, call safety. All right, safety's here. Safety won't get mad. All right, we didn't do anything wrong. The wind is just nature. It's nature. So the wind blew it, but I know that installation is very easy to fix because, you know, I'm yeah, boy, I'm strong, man. So it's not heavy. Right? Actually, the tarp, the tarp is actually heavier than this. So yeah. Yeah, you know, just first of all, what you should do is just look it from back and say, what should I do? What would Axel do? Yeah. So call safety. Call safety. They're not gonna yell at you, all right? They're not gonna yell at you. I mean, you didn't do anything wrong. There's nothing wrong, all right? They won't yell at you. They'll help you out. They'll try to call someone to come and help, you know, rescue this load, fix this load, all right? But first of all, just try to see if you can fix it, all right? If you can't fix it, then that's where you make the call to safety, all right? But we got this fixed. We got this piece of cake really fast. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's what I'm talking about. All right. So, all right, one more thing. If you're at the terminal, all right, so this is what we were talking about this, and this is something good because you guys learn. If you're at the terminal, the Des Moines terminal, all right, make sure you wake up a little earlier. Class starts at 9, so take that safety class. Actually, I think if you're at the terminal, it's mandatory to take it, but I highly recommend you guys take that safety test. It is freaking good. You learn a lot of stuff. You see things that happens. So things that accidents, things that you shouldn't be doing. All right. You see that stuff. They'll help you out. If you got any questions with safety, you talk to them. You know, they're there to help out. But take that safety class. It starts at, I think, at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock in the morning. So you got enough time to go downstairs, have breakfast, and then head upstairs to the safety room, wherever that, I don't know what it's called, but it's in the Baymont Hotel. All right, so do it. I did it 2 weeks ago. It was great. I learned a lot, and actually I've been here almost 6 years, and I learned a lot from that safety what do you call it, class. All right, so take that. You cold, man?
It's freezing, dude.
This guy's from Atlanta. Man, you Atlanta people can't take the cold, man. Oh, wait, he's from Chicago. I grew up in Chicago. So, man, freaking cold. It's colder in Chicago than over here, man. But he's freezing his ass off. You're like, oh, yeah. All right, man. You guys stay safe out there. Yeah, later. Peace.
Ay, coming down like precipitation. I ain't never met a limitation. Hate plotting my elimination. Gotta go to Google for the information. I'm a superstar, so I gotta shine. Top dollar be the bottom line. Bottom feeding out of line. Turn your heart rate to a dotted line. Yeah, my zodiac probably $sign. Got the energy to win it, I'm feeling great. Got a date with destiny, focusing on my fate.
What is going on? What is going on? Yeah.